In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Getresponse for affiliate marketing and collect email. We will set up two things: a landing page that collects email addresses and an autoresponder email that delivers your affiliate link automatically. This keeps your process organized, and it helps you build a list you can market to again later. Start by logging into Getresponse and going to the Tools section. From there, open Landing Pages, then click Create Landing Page. You will see a gallery of templates. Choose a template that matches your offer and looks clean on mobile. When you find one you like, select it and click Edit to open the page builder. Inside the editor, click on the form element on the page. This is where visitors enter their email address. In the form settings, find the option for List and select the email list you want new subscribers added to. If you have more than one list, choose the one dedicated to this specific promotion so your results stay easy to track and manage. Next, you will connect your affiliate link to a button. Click the button on the page, then click the link icon in the button settings. Paste your affiliate link there. Make sure you paste the full link exactly as provided by your affiliate program, and double-check that it opens correctly in a new browser tab before you publish. Once your form is connected to the right list and your button is linked, click Next, then Publish. After publishing, Getresponse will provide your landing page link, which you can share in your content, ads, or social profiles. Now set up the email that goes out automatically. Go back to Tools and open Autoresponders. Click Create Autoresponder. For timing, set Day of Cycle to 0. Day 0 means the message sends immediately after someone subscribes, which is ideal for delivering the next step quickly. Then click Design Message. Choose an email template that is simple and readable. Add your affiliate link to a button inside the email, using clear button text so subscribers know what to click. Keep the message focused and easy to skim. When you are finished, click Next, then Save and Publish. Your landing page will collect emails, and your autoresponder will deliver your affiliate link right away. That covers everything you need to know.